We understand there has some chaos which is broken out at Parli, and we also are getting reports that locals have surrounded Prithviraj Chavan's car. There are protests which are being held at the cremation ground. Some chaos which is being reported at Parli. Now these are visuals coming in where the police is controlling the situation there. You have police presence, which is a heavy police presence at the ground. And we are getting reports at this point of time that there was some chaos which was reported at Parli. Now remember that the Union Minister Gopinath Munde's last rites have been performed at Parli, and these are visuals coming in from the cremation ground, where we understand that some chaos broke out at the cremation ground. Also initial reports at this point of time are suggesting that locals surrounded Prithviraj Chavan, the Chief Minister's car, and protests broke out. You can also see that on the ground at this moment, according to these visuals, there is a heavy police presence, and also we can see some chairs being scattered around. But the chaos broke out at the ground where Union Minister Gopinath Munde's last rites were being performed. But at this point of time, we are trying to get more details of what exactly happened. These are visuals coming in from Parli, where Union Minister Gopinath Munde's entire family and also the other political leaders were present for the last rites that were performed. And locals, according to the initial media reports, surrounded the Prithviraj Chavan's, the Chief Minister's car, and the protest broke out. And we're also getting fresh report. The situation is under control.
We believe that anxious supporters and very angry supporters of Gopinath Munde, who were naturally very upset with the bereavement, have stoned the Chief Minister's cavalcade. Those are very sketchy details right now. We do not exactly know where exactly this particular incident happened, but we do know that all the supporters of Gopinath Munde were understandably very aggrieved and very unruly. In fact, it went to such a point that during the last rites, during the last respects, Gopinath Munde's daughter Pankaja Munde herself had to come out and pacify these supporters. Right. But clearly even her words have had no effect, with the crowd swelling and with all people actually feeling a lot of anxiousness and anger, and the grief seems to be playing out.
कि मुंडे जी आज अपने पीछे नहीं रहे। मुंडे जी सिर्फ बीजेपी के नेता नहीं थे, सिर्फ महायुति के नेता नहीं थे, वो तो लोक नेता थे, और ऐसे नेता बहुत कम होते हैं। लेकिन एक बात मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि ये सारी जो जनता आक्रोश कर रही है, वो भी उनकी भावना का आदर करते हुए इसकी जांच भी होनी चाहिए, और हो सके तो सीबीआई जांच होनी चाहिए, ताकि इनके मन में जो प्रश्न है उसका उत्तर इनको मिलना चाहिए।